Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing your goal and seeding Google Trends with focused queries. First, choose 3-5 keywords that match a single topic. This avoids noisy comparisons. Next, set the location and time range so results reflect the market you care about. Also pick a category and search type, web, image, news, or YouTube, because trends filters influence what data you see. Once done, add comparisons 2 at a time to spot relative interest shifts and immediate spikes. Now you refine insights by layering filters and comparisons. Compare a brand name versus a generic term to reveal intent differences, then switch categories to test context changes. Apply subregion filters to find pockets of demand and spot local trends you can act on. Don't forget related queries and rising terms. They show emerging variations and long-tail opportunities. As you iterate, export CSVs for deeper analysis. Make sure to save useful comparisons as bookmarks. Finish by turning insights into actions. Map search peaks to content calendars, add budgets, or inventory changes so you capitalize on demand. Schedule regular checks and automate CSV exports to track momentum over time. If you need statistical rigor, combine trends data with internal metrics and run correlations. If results look sparse, broaden the time range or switch from exact keywords to topic matches so you capture more signal. One troubleshooting tip: when traffic is low, expand geography or use related rising queries to find usable patterns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.